Is it recording?
Yep.
Really?
Yeah.
Okay.
All right.
Today we're gonna be going down our homemade zip line. It's very cold out. Oh my God!
Come on,
don't push me! Don't push me!
Near the edge. Ready? Ready?
Yeah.
Hold on.
3, 2, 1, push. Woo! As you can see, we are going over our lake. Oh man, I'm going backwards. Alright, you should be able to see it. I don't know if that's ice. But we're going down, and it's slowing down. That's our creek. We're up high. And it sends us backwards. There's the mud. And we're on the trail. That's Dan.
It's like a parking spot.
He's one of our people on the channel. He's also the goofball.
Definitely a goofball.
Help! I'm up. I just need to wait for my dad. See, as you can see, he's taking the general. There's Dad. Backwards a little bit. Backwards a little.
It is.
Dad, I said backwards a little.
Nah, you'll be fine.
I can't get on top of the roof.
You will.
They won't be able to see my face. Which I guess is fine by me. I'm not really ready.
Kid harness.
I'm not really ready to be on YouTube with my face.
So